Hey, it's Serial Reels here. Hit that subscription button and also that notification bell for more trends and for more chai. So, Ringtone Apoko, popular Kenyan gospel artist, also known as the chairman of gospel, well known as the Deputy Jesus. Look at this. Oh, so as you could see, he was in an incident where the blogger Robert Alai beat him up. Yeah, he beat him up with a rungu actually, and he ended up in Kenyatta National Hospital. Yeah, as you can see from the video there.
Nataka kuthank Wakenya wote ambao wameniombea after the assault and attack, and I want to thank the doctors of Kenyatta National Hospital for working on me, and I just want to ask my fans to continue to pray for me. Na mimi I'm law abiding citizen, nitaongojea sheria ichukue mkondo wake na muendelee kuniombea. God bless you.
Yeah, and Kenyans went ahead and created that, and also they were saying that now Ringtone went from Ringtone to Rungutone. Bye guys.